Hello, 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 and welcome to another episode of Mr. Boskin Does Some Math. Today we are doing illustrative math, grade 8, unit 7, lesson 7. Our first question here says write with a single exponent. So we have 7 to the power of 6 divided by 7 squared. When we are dividing, we subtract the exponents. 6 subtract 2 is 4. Okay, next one, 11 to the 4, raised to the power of 5. When we raise something to a power, we multiply the exponents. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 squared times 4 to the 6. When we multiply, we add the exponent. 6 plus 2 is 8. 4 to the power of 8. 6 times 6 to the power of 8. So this one's a little trickier. There's no exponent on this 6. If there is no exponent, it is a 1, because that is 6 once. 1 plus 8 is 9, so that is 6 to the power of 9. Okay, 12 squared to the power of 7. We are raising it to power, so multiply the exponents. 2 times 7 is 14. 3 to the power of 10 divided by 3. We are subtracting the exponents. There's no exponent shown, so it's a 1. So that is 3 to the power of 9. Now we have 0.173 to the power of 9 times 0.173 to the power of 2. We are multiplying, so we will add the exponents. 9 plus 2 is 11. Couple more here. 0.87 to the power of 5 divided by 0.87 to the power of 3. We are dividing, so we will subtract exponents. 5 subtract 3 is 2. Okay, we have 5 halves to the power of 8 divided by 5 halves to the power of 6. Which will be 5 halves, and dividing, so we subtract. 8 subtract 6 is 2. What's next? Noah says that 2 to the power of 4 times 3 squared equals 6 to the power of 6. Tyler says that 2 to the power of 4 times 4 squared equals 16 squared. Do you agree with Noah? So, do we agree with this? What exactly is going on? So, what Noah said here is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 equals 6 to the power of 6. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. 3 times 3 is 9. 16 times 9, which is 16 times 9, 16 times 10 is 160, so it's a little less than 160. What about 6 to the power of 6? 6 times 6 is 36, times 6 is, well, 30 times 6 would be 180. times 6 more, times 6 more, times 6 one more time, that is going to be way too much. Explain why 6 times 6 times 6 is already too big. And then we multiplied by 6 3 more times. That one's not going to work at all. Okay, do you agree with Tyler? Explain or show your reasoning. So Tyler has 2 to the 4 times 4 squared equals 16 squared. So let's think about what these are going to mean. Well, 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16, right? And 2 to the power of 4, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. So this is 16 times 16. Does that equal 16 squared? Yes, it does. Explain or show your reasoning? Those work out to 16 times 16. Yep, that was our last one. Short set of practice problems today. This has been another episode of Mr. Boskin Does Some Math. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.